However cold it is outside, it's warm when I think of our friendship.
Okay then. That's a weird way to open everything up. I'm going to leave that in there. I'm not even going to try to edit that out. But still, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how you doing today? Weird opening. Things possessed. Anywho, as you know by that thumbnail, everything else you clicked on to get here, yeah, we're going to do one more unbagging. This one, for me, is the weirdest one yet. Mountain House's Adventure Meal, Buffalo style chicken mac and cheese with carrots and celery. Okay. Yeah, I'm about out of the camping food bags and the pile of shame. I should do a video about the pile of shame so you guys don't think I regret buying stuff. Like I said in other videos, it's a real common YouTuber term when you do reviewing on products. You go, hey, that sounds cool, that sounds cool, that sounds cool, and you bury yourself under stuff that you purchase and you should review, but you haven't. And you're always going to get to it, but you're always chasing the latest and greatest. And your pile of shame grows like, I don't know, you're dead. But still. All right. So as you can see there, 18 grams of protein. They do say it's 2 servings in the bag, but let's get honest. It's a one-person serving. All right. You only got to add water. Ready in about 10 minutes. 1 2/3 cup boiling water. Amazing expiration date. What is that? July 2053. They are out of Oregon, which I think is cool. They've been there from a very, very long time. So I feel like I'm supporting my former home state. I lived in Oregon for a very, very long time. All right. For those of you like the nutrition facts, there you go. Take a freeze frame. For those of you who want to see the ingredients, go ahead, take a freeze frame. Seriously, these things are really easy. Tear the top, dump in the water, stir it around vigorously, and make sure you're getting in the sides, because sometimes the sauce powder, for lack of a better phrase, the dehydrated sauce, stacks up in the corner, and you really don't want to weaken your meal and then take a bite and you got a bunch of powder. That's all I'm saying. All right. Anything else in the back here? Oh yeah, let's get the adulting out of the way. Sorry. I will say this, the price came up on this since I got it. Currently on Amazon as of Thursday, November 10th, 2022. This one is $20.99. It is Prime eligible. Guys, I'm going to tell you, 21 bucks for this, really high price. Go check your local big box stores. Hopefully they have them in, or maybe you can find them cheaper on a secondary market, for lack of a better phrase. All right. The one thing that... What a shock. The camera froze on me again. I swear to God, tax time, I'm getting a new one. I know I've been saying it for years. There's the life that I can out of this one. But like I was saying, I like buffalo wings, all right? But sometimes, like, when you get them, sometimes the sauce can be too vinegary. Or, like, if you get frozen ones, and you heat them up, and maybe they didn't go properly, it's a weird taste. So I'm thinking to myself, dehydrated buffalo wings. Okay. But if you've never seen the inside of one of these packs, I'm going to show it to you before I go through the whole process of boiling the water and everything else. And like I keep saying in other videos, I'm not going to make you watch that water boil. Maybe on April Fool's Day. Maybe. But still. Okay, first thing you should always do when you open it up is find your silica pack. Seriously, look all over that. Do not eat, do not eat, do not eat. Don't freaking eat it! I don't care what any Reddit forum says. There's idiots out there on the internet that want to see you bring harm to yourself. If you cannot locate this pack, say it's kind of in the bottom, it's okay to dump your boiling water in. It will not contaminate your food. Always, always, always remove it. Don't open it up. Don't eat it. Now that PSA out of the way, here we go. That's what it looks like. See, in all these packs, it's kind of the same. Everything, like the solid items that look like, you know, you're opening a brand new bag and you're going, okay, dump it in. Whatever the sauce thing is, it's all powdery, and, you know, you go from there. So like I said, we're going to go heat up the water. We're going to reconstitute this thing, dump it in the bowl like we usually do, and we'll be back when it's ready. Okay, we're back. Did you miss me? Yeah, don't lie to me, okay? Yeah. All right, I gotta state for the record, visually, this does not look good. It really, really doesn't. I did not notice any real chunks of chicken when I was making it up. I'm a little worried. I wonder if that's the chicken chunk. It smells like buffalo sauce. It really, truly does. Visually looking at it, because like I said, you eat with your eyes first. Don't you just love winter when sicknesses run around rampant? It's been non-stop for like a week, but still. Okay. So like I said, visually you eat with your eyes first, and this one just, no. But Mama didn't raise a bitch, so we gotta do our 3. I'm gonna go with the straight, what I think is chicken first. Okay, that was chicken. Reconstituted nicely. I can taste the buffalo sauce, but there's really not a kick to it. You know how you get some, you gets you right in the back of your throat. All right, let's get some mac and cheese and whatever the hell else is in there. Because like I said, visually, no. Okay, I think there was some chicken in there. Mac and cheese didn't taste too bad. So, third bite. I think he's out of the shower. Go ahead, get in the shower. Let's see if that can loosen up a lot more, okay? And we're going to get some medicine in you in a moment.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Got to do the dad thing. But there we go. There's the third bite. Okay. That was a big bite of chicken in there. Yeah.
I'm not here to complain.
I don't know. Let me go for a fourth.
I'm not here to want you to complain. I was checking out.
Things I do for you guys. All right. To me, this bag, and that's the thing about taste testing. I know there's going to be somebody out there who loves this thing and thinks it's the greatest under the sun. It is right on that border of I'm never going to eat it again, and I need to be really freaking hungry to pick it back up and take more bites. It's got a really, really thick sauce to the pack. Matter of fact, without a doubt, it is the thickest sauce that I've ever had in a boil a bag meal, for lack of a better phrase. That's what they are. Dump in hot water, let it sit. You're basically boiling a bag. Does it warm you up? Yes. Is the buffalo sauce completely spicy? No. It does leave a little bit of tingling in the mouth, because it really should. If it's buffalo sauce, it should let you know it's there. The chicken reconstituted okay. As a matter of fact, I was kind of impressed. I expected a lot worse. The mac and cheese was okay. Not how I personally like my mac and cheese, but that's just me. Like I said, would I get it again? No. Would I recommend it? Sure. Because you never know who's going to like it, who's going to be whatever. Give it a try. See it if you like it. Okay? But now, with all that fun stuff being said, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you tried these by Mountain House before? Have you not? If you have, seriously, if you have, I really want to know your comments down below. Let's see if there's any positive, if there's any negative out there. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just the big post with that bag. Because, no. All right, now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, and I bet I did, please give me that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But guys, one more time down the rabbit hole with Mountain House Adventure Meals, the Buffalo Chicken Mac and Cheese. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are having a great day today, a safe day today, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.